next form we're going to make is a three-sided pyramid. To start, we need to have a square. I just used all of my other sheet of paper, so now I'm going to take my second sheet and I'm going to divide that in half again by folding it in half and cutting it. And we're going to use a quarter sheet for this, so I'm going to fold it in half again, hamburger style. And cut that in half. Okay, so we are starting with a square. Okay, so we need a square to make the three-sided triangular prism. So this is a rectangle, and we have a short side and we have a long side. Now we know we can't make the short side longer to make the square, but what we can do is we can make the long side shorter to make a square. We know that we can make our square to be this length on each side, the short length. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the length of the short side of my rectangle and holding it on the corner with my finger, I'm going to bring that short side over to the long side and line it up. And once I have it lined up, I'm going to just start to make a crease right here and use my folding stick. Some of you may have seen this before. All right, and then this is the extra. I'm going to cut that off. You can use this later for lots of different things, so make sure you're keeping track of your little scraps. All right, and then ta-da, I have a square. So then using, so then what I'm gonna do is I have one diagonal fold already. I need to make a second diagonal fold going across the first one. So I'm gonna take corner to corner and fold it in half. And then you will see an X on your paper. And we're gonna cut one of these line segments from the center to the corner of your square. So, all right, and then one of these is the glue tab. So if you just take these two pieces and you put one on top of the other one, ta-da, you have a triangular prism. So I'm just going to put glue on this side. You can see it's probably okay. And then make sure you rub that so that it stays.